Could the lava rising to the surface actually be a message from the heart of the planet? Volcanoes do not erupt from the center of the Earth, but from molten rocks formed by heat depositing in the mantle. This molten rock rises toward the surface as the pressure increases, eventually reaching the point of explosion. When the volcano erupts, lava, ash, and gas are thrown miles high and can darken the sky. Some volcanoes are located on the ocean floor and can even form islands. So yes, lava comes from deep underground, but not from the center. The mantle is the real stage of this fiery spectacle.